Once you have an investor or multiple investors in GainSweep, you can now begin to build portfolios. Click on the Portfolios tab at the top of the screen. Select the Add New with the plus sign, and then give the portfolio a nickname. This should be something that's easily identifiable as the client's account. Select the investor that you would like this portfolio to be attached to. Then you're going to choose the base amount. The base amount is the dollar amount which GainSweep is going to start tracking. We're going to use 200,000. Target percentage. The target percentage is the amount of gain that you would like for this portfolio to achieve and have GainSweep notify you when you've reached that target. Make this one 10%. The sweep amount is the percentage of the target gain that you'd like to sweep out of the portfolio and move into an alternative investment. 50%. So in this case, we have $200,000 with a 10% target. So once the account is up $20,000, we'll be notified by GainSweep via email, and then we'll know that we've talked to the client about possibly moving 50% of that 10% gain into an alternative strategy. The buy low is our unique feature that helps remind the client that buying into dips is a great way to improve their overall long-term performance. This will also notify the advisor, and if you choose, will notify the investor when they've reached a buy low target. We'll set this at 15%. Now click Save. This will take you to the Positions page where you'll start adding positions to this portfolio. So click the Add New with the plus button. You can enter the long name of the security if you wish, or you can just enter the symbol and GainSweep will automatically fill in the long name at the close of business. Enter the quantity of shares of this particular holding and the unit price or purchase price that was paid for the investment. The last price is the last trading price. This will also be updated at the close of business by GainSweep. Then you can select the type. You'll have two choices. You have a dividend purchase or purchase, which is the original or cash purchase. The date acquired. This is helpful if you'd like GainSweep to keep track of gains for you, long-term, short-term gains. Select whether the dividends will be reinvested or not. If you select the button, it will calculate reinvested dividends. Then you can select whether this is qualified or non-qualified. Then click the Save button. Once you've entered all the positions, you'll note here that the current value will give you a total of what the current price of all the securities in the portfolio is equal to. In this case, it's $195,000 worth of Apple. In our previous screen, we set the base at $200,000. If you wanted to make the current value of the portfolio the base, you can simply click the Set Current Value as Base button, and the 195 will now become the base of this portfolio. Go back to the Portfolios tab, and here you'll be able to look at all your portfolios in one screen. And here we should find the 401k that we just created. The base adjusted from 200,000 to 195 gives us the target gain that we're trying to achieve in both percentages and dollars, and gives us a status bar so we can track how close we are to our target. You have now created a portfolio.